move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Spencer, local and long distance movers near me. When it comes to moving within Spencer, 3 Movers is your trusted local moving company. Our professional movers are familiar with Spencer's roads, traffic patterns, and specific regulations, allowing us to navigate efficiently. We pride ourselves on providing reliable and timely service, ensuring your belongings are safely transported from one location to another. When you choose 3 Movers for your local move in Spencer, you can rest assured that our team of professionals will go above and beyond to make your relocation experience hassle-free. From carefully packing your belongings to efficiently loading and unloading them, we prioritize the safety and security of your belongings. Trust 3 Movers to handle your local move in Spencer and enjoy a seamless transition to your new home. If you're planning a move to or from Spencer, 3 Movers has you covered with our long-distance moving services. Moving to a different city or state involves additional considerations and logistics. Our team of experienced movers specializes in long-distance relocations, ensuring your belongings are protected throughout the journey. We offer competitive pricing options tailored to fit your budget. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Spencer Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.